Yes, hello guys. Uh, Today is the 8th of April 2020. My name is Simon Peter, uh, a member of the Roy Club community, and also definitely a participator of the Roy movement, or what we know as the Roy Bounty Program. So, guys, Roy Club is definitely a very awesome platform for us to earn some little income from, right? And it is a very supportive club which enables people to earn a passive income to enable them support themselves and also those around them, their families. Okay, so this video is brought to you by Roy Club, courtesy of the Roy Bounty Group. And today, guys, I'm going to just be showing you how we can basically, after earning some small PRIZM coins, how we can exchange our PRIZM coins from our Sigen.pro wallets, exchange it into Bitcoin, and then immediately we can push it to either a blockchain wallet, or probably straight to an exchange site. Okay, so the first thing after you have logged into your Sigen.pro account, I want us to click on this icon. All right. And then let's first go to wallet and see what we have in our wallet. Okay, so as we can see, we have a value of 139 PRIZM coins available for us today. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to exchange into Bitcoin. Okay, so the first thing I want us to do is, let us first go to our Bitcoin address. Okay, let us first go to our Bitcoin address. Okay, so usually it doesn't pop up immediately. Yes, I can see this is our Bitcoin address, but it should have also appeared immediately from up here. So if we can refresh this page, because we can see it's BTC, and as it loads, all right. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is not the BTC wallet, but when we scroll down, we can see this is our Bitcoin wallet address. And when we exchange our coins, definitely it will be here. So we can actually give our BTC home wallet. Okay, we can give it a name if we want to. Let's just name it. This is not necessary, but yeah, you can give it a name. Okay, and yeah, let's just copy this just in case we shall need it when we are exchanging. Okay, so let's get back to our PRIZM wallet. Okay, we can just click this. All right, so let's go to that wallet there. Okay, let us refresh this. So Sigen.pro has some refreshing issues. Okay, all right. So from there, now what we're going to do is this. Oh, sorry, where is the menu? Oh, the menu is there. Okay, so what we're going to do, let's go back to wallet. You know, this small view is, let's go to this menu and let's go to exchange. Okay, all right. So when we come to exchange, we are going to go down to our value pairs here. Okay, so it's currently showing, it's supposed to show us the available PRIZMs in our account. So let us just refresh this and see if our actual PRIZM value can pop up. Okay, okay, let's go back to that. All right, it has not yet popped up. So usually what I do, I usually just usually first go back to the wallet like this, and then from there is when I click the exchange so that the value can first appear. Okay, so let us see if yeah, all right. So as you can see, our PRIZM value now has appeared here. Okay, so for the dry run, let's let's do 500. Yeah, let's do 500 PRIZM coins. Okay, let's do actually 300. Let's do 300 PRIZM coins. Okay, so when you sorry, so before you do this, click on market. Okay, and then from there, that's when we type here 300 prisms, and then it gives us the equivalent in BTC. Okay, this is the BTC we shall get. So let's first check this. This is BTC to USD. Okay, so that is $24. Okay, so that basically was again. Okay, so that basically means that our 300 prisms is actually $24. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll click sell. Okay, and this is instant, so I'm going to sell my 300. So it's telling me order has been successfully created. Okay, all right, cool. So when we scroll down, yes, when we come to our orders here, now just to show you guys that it's so quick, when you come to all, we can't see anything. Why? Because this is on active, and since ours is already done, it's supposed to be on archived. Okay, so we can see our prism, our transaction is here of 300 prisms completed. Now when we go, let's go back. Now let's go back to our wallet, but this time let's go to our BTC wallet and see. Okay, this time we should have a value there. Okay, all right, let's first refresh this to show us our Bitcoin wallet. Okay, all right, so as we can see, the exact value we transacted, which was this, is the same value that has appeared definitely right here. Okay, so what next? Right, so we have our BTC already here, and now we can be able to send it to any other place. So like if I want to send it to my Paxful account so that I can be able to get money, I can do that. So I'm going to create another video to show you guys how we can pick this money from here, take it to Paxful, and get Ugandan shillings. So otherwise, this is it, guys. Thank you so much. This video has been brought to you by Roy Club, and I hope you enjoyed this. We shall be learning some more. Otherwise, thank you, guys. Today has been the 8th, and even as we can check here on our time of GMT, definitely the 8th of April. Otherwise, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Have a blessed time.